Hello guys, this is a video if you have a problem with your PlayStation 4 Pro and a Samsung television with a flickering black screen and loss of sound that keeps happening. Don't go in the boot menu and change anything, because this is a video for the new Samsung 8000 series of 2016 with a 10-bit panel and HDR support. The only thing you need to do is put the HDMI cable into the port HDMI PC, and then go to settings, and go to sound and picture, settings for video. Don't change the resolution or HDR, only change RGB to full. That's it, and that will solve the problem. I hope this helps. Goodbye.